What up, Diecast family? This is your boy Gary coming at you with a quickie. So, guys, I picked up another one of the Elite 64s and picked up this Mustang, which is pretty cool. So, let's crack it open, guys, and see what we're working with, right? Alright, that is pretty cool. So I think the front is removable. It's just a wide body. It's pretty cool. I guess this is release number 3. Sorry about all the light, guys. But you can take a look at the back part of it. And let's see if we can take a look at some of the specs. For those of you who like to read it, take a look at the card art as best as I can. I mean, the card art is cool, man. It's pretty darn sweet. Alright, so let's crack her. I guess it ain't gonna be that easy. I wish they would make it this hard in the store for all the guys who gonna steal them. Make them work for it. And as most of you guys know, I'm an open collector. But let's take a look at this bad boy. It's pretty sweet. Side pipes. Turned it the wrong way. What a way to start off the Sunday, right? Man, look at that. Would you just look at that? For all you Mustang lovers out there, this is a nice piece to have in your collection if you already don't have it. Let's see if we can remove this front. Yep. Let's see if I can do it off camera, guys. There we go. It's pretty sweet. What do you guys think? So let's put it on the wheel. That way you guys don't have to look at my ugly hands. And I'll be right back at you. Alright guys, we are back. And there she is. Spinning in all her glory. So far guys, out of these Elite 64, I only have 3 of them. The other ones probably all sold out by now, but I just caught these last 3 and I was happy to find them. So I know These are great cars. I never heard of them until I became a member of Hot Wheels. And I never bought anything because it's almost like a year and I never used it, so till now. Because I keep forgetting about it. So I guess I'm pretty much playing catch up, which is all good. I get what people don't want. So we're going to recap, guys, on the ones that I have. So the first one I picked up, guys, was the Audi. You guys remember that one? And the last one we picked up was the Land Rover. Guys, that is it on my little video. My 3 Elite 64 casting. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. As always, guys. And if you're new to the channel, thank you for joining us. You know, my OGs, as always, man, thank you for all your supporters. And hopefully you guys enjoying your weekend. This is Super Bowl weekend. And I hope your team wins today. Until the next one, guys, I am out. Bye now.